What's up, YouTube? It's your main King B Crown Me. I'm here with another YouTube banger. And I know y'all wondering, I'm gonna get to this in a minute, but I want to make sure y'all go ahead and like and subscribe, and be sure to comment on this video afterwards and let me know what y'all think. So I'm not gonna keep y'all waiting. I'm gonna go ahead on and get to this green door behind me, and I'm gonna let y'all see what's going on over here. This is my 1978 Pontiac Phoenix. And the project that I got going on today is that I'm trying to get gas money here in Dallas, Texas to take my car for a project. So y'all come on in a little bit closer. I'm gonna let y'all see what I got going on here. Come on in a little bit closer. Come on in. Come on in right here. Right here. Come on. Now, can you see this right here? Yeah, this is what I got. This is a 307. This is not the original motor, and they got a TH400 Power Glide behind it. The motor and stuff, it still works, but I want to change the motor out for a LS7 or 8, something more up the grade and all that stuff right there. I need a few floor pans and a trunk pan, stuff put in there. As you can see, me and my son was in it one day in Walmart, and Walmart employee got in my car and messed it up, and we left there, and it ended up wrecking it, and they didn't want to take the responsibilities. So the lawyer told me that they didn't have enough money to fight them. So I'm stuck with my first old school wrecked and trying to get it back restored. Like I said, this is a 1978 Pontiac Phoenix. If you guys know what a phoenix is that once in a lifetime bird that comes and it lays one egg and it dies in its own ashes. So it's time for my own phoenix to rise back up out of the ashes. So you guys, y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and this is King B Crown Me. I'm not above you, I'm not below you, I'm with you. Peace.